In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Payfast to Ecwid with an easy setup. For anyone venturing into e-commerce or looking to streamline their payment options, this integration is absolutely essential. Your Ecwid store deserves the best, and by integrating Payfast, you ensure a seamless transaction experience for your customers. Let's get started with the process now. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Ecwid control panel. This is your command center where you manage all aspects of your online store. Once you're logged in and at the dashboard, the next thing you'll need to do is to locate the Payment tab. You'll find it on the left-hand side amidst other important store functions like Catalog, Orders, and more. Click on it and it will take you to the Payment Settings page. Once you're there, you'll notice various payment options available for your store. We're focusing on alternatives today, so what you need to do is click on Payment Alternatives. This helps you customize what payment methods your store will accept, making it more accommodating depending on your location and customer base. Now, on the Payment Alternatives screen, you'll see various gateways you can add to your online store. Keep an eye out for Payfast. This is the service we'll be using. When you spot Payfast, go ahead and click on it. It'll lead you to a dedicated page providing an overview of Payfast services and why it could be beneficial for your store operations. Next, it's time to enter your Payfast account details. This part is crucial as you'll need to input accurate information, ensuring that transactions via Payfast are correctly processed. On this page, you'll input essentials like your merchant ID and your merchant key, which are found on your Payfast account. After you've entered all the necessary details, be sure to double check everything for any typos or errors. Mistakes in this section could impede your store's ability to process payments effectively. Always have your information handy and maybe even look at it from your Payfast account so there are no discrepancies. To wrap things up, after saving your details, let's make sure the integration is successful. Try running a test transaction. This is a great way to ensure everything is functioning as expected, and you can have peace of mind knowing your customers will enjoy a smooth checkout process. And that's it. You've successfully connected Payfast to your Ecwid store. Congratulations on taking this step towards improving your store's capabilities. Remember, while this is a straightforward setup, ensuring accuracy at each stage makes all the difference. Until next time, feel secure knowing your Ecwid store is set up to handle payments reliably.